What?
Down on the floor now, down!
Hey!
Stop!
She's not.
Hey!
Oh no!
You know me!
Is she okay?
Hey! Little!
Are you okay?
Get off me! Stop back! Stop fighting! Stop back!
No.
Hey, no, don't do it!
Why did he punch him?
Why did he punch him like that? You fucking silly little weasel!
I'll call Tyrone. I'll go to your house. Don't worry.
Hey!
I'll go to your house.
Hey!
Hang on!
I'll go to your house. Don't worry, my boy.
It's wrong when they do that.
I know they pay the motherfuckers.
You fucking rat!
Don't fucking walk in there!
Just walk! Walk normally!
Yeah! Walk normally! You're fucking grim, you! You are, you're fucking grim! Move back up! Walk! Hey!
What are you hitting him for?
Do that to me and watch, you little fucking rat!
Rob, you know you're being recorded.
Many thousands have used this.
Move back!
You know you're being recorded.
You can't just start crunching people.